check in with me and do your job.
Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Are you dumb?
Okay, she comes in a nice little bag. Nice satin. Has a little so it comes with a wig cap, but it's like one of those netted ones. So I have to go buy one myself now. Oh, it's a little hand mirror. That's so cute. Okay. Okay. So this is soft. Okay, no shedding. She's cute. She is cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited. But she's cute. She's cute. I feel like she's giving me kind of a Charisse vibe, so we're gonna name her Charisse. Like, you cute, bitch. You cute.
Yeah, get into it.
So I'm just gonna like time lapse me plucking this because I don't know how long it's gonna take. Oh yeah. Oh shit.
Tomorrow.
I finished plucking this hoe. She cute, she plucked. I think I plucked a little too much on this side, but it's okay. She's still cute. So I'm gonna bleach the knots. So I bought a 48 pack of spoons from Walmart, gang. And then I bought some like wrapping foam because I see people use that. And then I bought like 2 packs of this because the bottle of it is like $10. I'm like, I ain't got 10. What I look like? And then I bought this too. So yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. And then we're just gonna, what the heck? Is that too much? Alright, so I cut open the bleach powder. Do you put the powder in? Yeah, put the powder in. And then it's supposed to be like kind of thick, but not too thick. Okay, I don't think. So I've seen people like, just like, is that too much? Oh shit, you're too hard, don't get too close. It's turning blonde. Like this like hair right here. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know, they're brown, but some of the hair is also brown. Should I wash it out? Maybe it's time to wash it out. Should I wash it out? Oh, that's not, you see like, I think we're gonna do it again. It really can't get much worse than this. Is it turning? My hair is stubborn. I wasn't even recording. This is orange. What is that? Let's go see if my dad has hair dye. Otherwise, we will resume this tomorrow. Alrighty. Touch of gray. He had something. Now, I think it'll work. Wait 5 minutes, shampoo out. Let me use a spoon. Oh, no. It's like on the lace. Okay, let me wash this out. Yes, I did it. I did it. I did it. Bro, I did that. Here's the situation. There's some spots where like I stained the lace a little bit. But at this point, fuck, I mean, F it. So I wasn't really planning on finishing the rest of this today. But that's what we're gonna do. So There's two. All right, so this is like, hold on, my camera's dirty. All right, so this is like dry. What's up? Bro, I am cute. He know he giving his money to Megan.
He know it's very expensive to daily.
Okay. He know he giving his money to Megan. Bitch, I'ma be cute. I think she's ready. Oh, it's not even open. I don't think I cut enough. I'm getting annoyed. For first try, I think it's okay. By the way, it's 3 in the morning. Crap. All right, so it's the next day. I actually ended up taking that all down because I got frustrated and I didn't want to do it anymore. So she's still kind of messed up, but I don't have any more wig caps and I'm not gonna go buy another one. So we're just gonna have to do with this. I think this is good enough. Let me try like putting it up in like a little ponytail type of thing. Again, please excuse my face, I look disgusting. But I think she's cute. I think she's cute. That's pretty much the conclusion of this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like the video and comment and whatever else. Thank you very much. Peace.